Greetings everyone. In this video, we're going to see how to unlock your Mac with your Apple Watch. Now you might not have Touch ID on your computer, like if you have a Mac Mini or an iMac or even the new MacBook Neo. But if you have an Apple Watch, you don't have to type your password in many times every day. So to unlock your Mac, you'll need watchOS 3 or later, macOS High Sierra 10.3 or later, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled, and signed in with the same Apple ID. And for hardware, all Apple Watches are supported, MacBook Pro late 2013 or later, all other Macs 2013 or later. So the first thing we need to do is on the Mac you want to unlock with your watch, we have to go to System Settings, and then we have to go to Touch ID and Password, and then under Apple Watch, we're going to slide this to enable it. And you'll have to enter your admin password and select Unlock. And now that we have this enabled, we can give it a try. If it doesn't work the first time, try restarting your Mac and your Apple Watch. Okay, so what I'm going to do here first is I'm going to put my Mac to sleep so we get a black screen like we walked away for a while. And then I have my Apple Watch on, hit the space bar and hold it near it, and there we go. It just unlocked my Mac screen. So it's important to note here, if you log out of your Mac or you turn off your Mac and turn it on again, you will have to enter your password. But after that, you can use your watch. So the other thing you can do with your Apple Watch is you can approve other requests to enter your administrator password. Like if you're installing an application, all you have to do is double click to approve on the Apple Watch on the side and your software will get installed. And so another situation, if you wanted to delete an application that needs an administrator password, say we drag Zoom to the trash here and it says use password, you just do the same thing, double click on the side of your Apple Watch to approve. And essentially what it does is it just puts your password in for you. So your Apple Watch can do cool things, and that is one of them. Unlock your Mac with your Apple Watch. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.